All right. So, what I was saying is, Madam Dal Angela from Seattle TV, along with Mr. David Ilagan. So Mr. David Ilagan is actually the business partner, and Miss Dal Angela is the executive producer of Seattle TV. So that's Philippines and USA. So thank you once again for sponsoring, and likewise to those who really wanted to sponsor as well, is either you have some business or just personal sponsors. You can actually be my sponsor. I can just acknowledge you every time that I do my vlogs, every time that I do my personal vlogs or personal mukbang or whatever. Okay, so it's a sign of appreciation to you guys. You don't have to have a business. But most especially if you do have a business, why not, diba? Katulad yan si Erica Lopez. Erica Lopez is actually my PA before, and right now we are now partners in terms of Mukbang City, Manila. Mga seafood naman ang kanyang mga specialties. So, we were there at her place the other day, and then we had talk about partnerships as well. So, yun. Don't forget, kung if you're really fancying some seafood, so yun na ang kanyang forte. Mukbang City, Manila. Alright, you'll be coming from Marikina kung ano yung mga orders nyo. Ngayon, pag chicken naman, it'll be coming from Cavite naman, dito naman. So, all you have to do is contact me, and then kung gusto nyo mag-order, pwede na, di ba? I can get it started right away. It depends kung kung sino yung mga gusto mag-order. Of course, kailangan din talaga na once na deliver, of course, may delivery fee, depending kasi kung saan yung location ninyo eh. Ngayon kung dito na, I'm very sure it's just gonna be very very minimal naman yung delivery fee. Pero kung medyo masyadong malayo-layo, so it would depend, parang Lalamove na rin, parang ganun, okay? Or Grab. Magbe-base tayo later on kung ano yung delivery fee ng Lalamove, kasi ganun nga talaga ang patakaran dito. So, anyway, yun nga. I'm so thankful dahil si Mr. Arnel Ignacio also took me to his clinic. We call this Creative, ano ba to? Ang pangalan niya, Creative Hair Systems. Yun yung pangalan ng kanyang clinic. And of course, binigyan po ako ng isang free Korean Baby Glow. Ayun. So, binigyan po ako ng free service. Ayan. So, thank you so much. At least gumanda ulit yung aking mukha. Alright? Para at least nagkaroon tayo ng anti-aging na look. And then, of course, kahit 52 na tayo, hindi pa rin malata, diba? It's very important kasi na talagang magpaganda pa rin ang lola.